Hello children, we can continue our remaining parts of the program. Program number 1. Design a class to overload a function. Compare as follows. First, void compare int, int. That means to compare two integer values and print the greater of the two integers. Second one, void compare two character. Means to compare the numeric value of two character and print with the higher numeric value. Third one, void compare string, string. That means to compare the length of the two strings and print the longer of the two. Now let's see the program. Same package we have to use. Import java.util.scanner semicolon public class compare, open the curly bracket. Then you have to take function public void compare, two integer argument you have to take and two variable a and b, open the curly bracket. In that you have to take one integer data type max and have to take max variable you have to take and do math dot max, open the bracket a comma b and close the bracket semicolon. So you have to print what max. So in this way you will get the two. If you input two integers, suppose first integer is 65 and second integer is 34, so which will be print? 65 will be print. Now second one, public void compare. That means try to compare character a comma character b. Then open the curly bracket, car max is equal to, you have to write car, then math dot max, open the bracket a comma b and close the bracket, terminate with a semicolon. Int y equal to int b. That means you have to compare with a numeric value. No. Suppose you have entered character small a, first character, and second character you have entered b. So it will give the higher value. What was that? B, because b is a greater than a. Had to compare the ASCII code of the both the character. Then after that you have to print system.out.println max. Then close the curly bracket. Now you have to do public void compare string a comma string b. Then open the curly bracket. You have to compare the length of the string. So what how will write? System.out.println a dot length greater than b dot length, then question mark a is to b, then terminate with a semicolon. Now you have to do invoke a function. Public static void main, open the curly bracket, string args you have to write, scanner class you have to use and compare obj equal to new obj. Then you have to take integer data type and store two variable n1 and n2. Then what you have to do? System.out.print, enter the first integer. Then system.out.print, that means n1 equal to int.next int. Then system.out.print, enter the second integer. Then n2 equal to int.next int and compare what was that? n1 and n2. Then car c1 comma c2. System.out.print, enter the first character. How will it end? You write c1 equal to int.next, then dot car 80 because you had to enter the character. Now that is why you had to write car 80. Then system.out.print, enter the second character. Then c2 equal to int.next, open and close bracket, dot car 80. When we are entering the character, you have to use car 80 for reading time. Then int.next line. Then you have to compare c1 comma c2. In the same way, string s1 comma s2, you have to enter the first string. Then s1 equal to int.next line. Why? Because we are using as a string data type, that is why using int.next line. Then system.out.print, enter the second string. Then s2 equal to int.next line. Then have to compare both the string s1 and s2. So in this way you can do this program of function overloading. Now a second program. Second program, what was that? Design a class to overload a function of polygon as follow. Void polygon, that means int and char ch, that means one integer argument and one character type argument to draw a filled square of side and using the character to store in ch. That means you have to make a one square using the side of n using the character stored in a ch. Second one, int x comma int y, that means two integer argument that draw a filled rectangle of length x and breadth y using which symbol? At the rate symbol. At the rate symbols you have to make a one rectangle. First you have to make a square, second one you have to make a rectangle. And third one, void polygon with no argument that draw a filled triangle as shown below. So you can see example number 1, input value of n equal to 2 and ch is equal to O. So what will have to, the output will be square of two line. This means 0 and 1, 0 and 1. That means 2. Row and column both are 2. Input value of x2 and y equal to 5. That means 2 rows are there and how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there to make a one rectangle. And third one you have to make a one triangle using which symbols? Star. Now see the program. No need of using the any package. Direct you can write the class name polygon and public void polygon int n and char ch. Then you have to take two loops. Int for one loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n and I plus plus. Then open the curly bracket for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to n and j plus plus. Then open the curly bracket. Then what you have to do? System.out.print ch. Then system.out.println. Second one, public void polygon int x comma int y. Same way, open the curly bracket. Int I equal to 1, I less than equal to x semicolon I plus plus. Then again one more loop you have to take, j loop. Int j equal to 1, j less than equal to y and j plus plus. Then what had to print? At the rate symbols had to print in a which form? Rectangle form. Then system.out.println. Third one, void polygon you have to make for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus, because we have to step 3 step is there, no, star 1, 2, 3 step is, that is why I have to take I less than equal to 3, then I plus plus. Then for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to I semicolon j plus plus. Then what had to print? Star you had to print. Then after that system.out.println. So when close the both the function, main function and all that, curly bracket is there. And in this way you can do the overloading function of polygon program. After that you have to invoke it. How will you invoke? Public static void main string args polygon obj equal to new polygon obj dot polygon 2 comma o, because 2 row is there, 1 and second row is there, and what had to print? O had to print. So it will come in this way. Then system.out.println obj.polygon, that means 2 row and 5 column. And which symbol is there? At the rate symbol is there. Then system.out.println object obj.polygon, that star will come. So in this way you can do the main function, you can invoke it. So hope you all understood this program. Thank you, my dear children.